Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Student, we have started lesson 6, the soil and agriculture, and I am going to explain you. Objective: in this lesson we have to learn about different kinds of soil, what type of places are deserts, and agriculture in different parts of Pakistan. Soil. Soil is a mixture of minerals, water, and organic matters that are decaying remains of once living things. It forms the surface of land. Soil is capable of supporting plant life. In some places, when there is little water, soil is poor. In some other places where there is too much water and land gets soaked with water, no crops can be grown. In other places, there is sufficient water, the soil is rich and fertile, and crops can grow well. In the mountains of north, there is snow on the ground for most of the year, so no crops can be grown. In some areas in the north, there are large masses of ice called glaciers. Nothing can grow here. The most fertile soil is called the alluvial soil. This type of soil is found in the plains around the great rivers. In the mountains, the rivers are fast flowing. They break up the rocks and cut through the earth. This is called erosion. One way of slowing down the process of erosion is to plant trees. Trees have long roots which hold the particles of soil together. This is why we have to be careful not to cut down too many trees. Deserts. Deserts are sandy or rocky and there is little water. It is difficult to grow crops in the desert, but by building canals to take water to these areas, parts of the land can be made fertile. Agriculture. Pakistan is an agriculture country. In the Punjab and in Sindh, there are large fertile areas of a good network of canals, so many crops can be grown here. Parts of KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also have good agricultural land, but there is very little agriculture in Balochistan. Most of the crops that grow in our land are wheat, rice, maize, gram, mustard, and groundnuts. Farmers can also grow cash crops such as cotton, sugarcane, sugar beets, and tobacco. To make their crops grow well, farmers often use fertilizers. There are large areas of fruit orchards across the country. Pakistan produces a variety of fruits such as mangoes, apples, bananas, oranges, peaches, apricot, and plum. Although Balochistan does not have large area of farmland, it does produce fruits like apple, peaches, almonds, cherries, and grapes. Vegetables are also grown on smaller farms for daily use. A very important part of farming is livestock farming. There is also a large number of poultry farms in the country which provide us with fresh eggs and chicken for meat. There are many international companies making dairy products which now operate in Pakistan. So, student, hope you understand the lesson.